Hello guys. Today I'm going to let you know how to make a music visual video. Continue with me. First, this is the website that you will download the visual videos from it. Now, open Kinemster and choose the visual video that you downloaded it. Make the video long as you want. Now, choose the music that you want. If you want to add some beautiful pictures, add them. I selected some pictures to a pieces of Quran. Now, start add these pictures to your video and edit their animation to look good. Now export what we done. There are a lot of visual videos in that website, you can take your time there. Bye bye guys.